Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. Today we are going to talk about Alibaba stock on weekly time frame, where the market can go in this week and how we can trade on here. The first thing, the last week we saw the huge selling pressure from the top for the market, and the as previous week market has made inverted hammer candle. So inverted hammer candle always define as selling a negative candle on the market. So this is the happen exactly. So the things we have to remember where the market is standing right now and why the market is facing huge selling pressure from the top. If I draw the line here, definitely it will come out. It is it is a resistance level for the market. Previous time it was this range. Previous time this range act was a support for the market. Buyer has taken multiple times swing, and here then after the break this swing, definitely it going to be act as a resistance for the market. And we also talk about as a price action, market cannot break its important level on the first time. This is going to be the first time facing his resistance level, so definitely it would need to face the seller, and as a result market is facing the huge selling pressure from the top. So right now, if I talk about generally where market can go for this week and why the support for the market. So near on the price, we saw the round level $100 definitely is psychological level, and $100 is also very strong support as a round level. Market prefer round level as a support zone. As a result, we saw the market has made very strong up movement from here on this range. So definitely buyer do not wants to close below this range. Buyer never wants to close below this range, because if this happen, the next near resistance, the near support will going to be 80 or 75, 80 or 85 going to be on this range. So it's very far from the current price where market is standing right now. So definitely buyer going to protect this range. So in this week, if we could talk about on the after seeing the daily time frame, we need to check out a daily time frame where the market is opening and closing, then this could be possible. But as per my idea, market is still market is still on a healthy correction. Market is about to make a healthy correction. If I draw the price action here, this is the up moment time. The market first time going to make a retracement here. The retracement, if it is in between 60 to 50 range, 50 to 60% range, still it is a healthy correction. So what I mean by healthy correction, if I draw you the Fibonacci retracement, then it would be connect you to understand more clearly. Here is the Fibonacci retracement, and I exactly draw the here. Right now market is standing near on 38%. So if he take a new dip from the level where he is standing right now, definitely is going to be a 50%. What I said, 50% retracement and always a healthy correction for the market. The uptrends he made, these are the uptrends buyer made. If they make 50% correction, and from the level if they take a new high from this level, definitely we could think that market is still on the positive, and we could be a buyer on the market. So if I, after discussing all the things, if this is going to be happen, definitely we could see the market has made a green candle here on this top, here on this range. Then we will find out the market completely on the range. So this range, after this range market, if the range is break on the higher side, definitely market will see a new high after a long period of time that market is sustaining on the downtrend. And also if I draw the line here on the top, definitely market is continuously facing its trend line, and this trend line it also has been tested multiple time here on the top. So definitely if buyer able to make a green candle on here, on the next week onward, market going to make a new high from this range again. So both the scenario, we need to wait on Monday. And if I go in daily time frame to check the momentum of the market, definitely market has faced 4 days continuous selling pressure on the top. So an FNO segment, things to remember as a price action, FNO segment, market cannot go directly on the higher side, or even market cannot fall down continuously on the downside. So both the scenario, if I talk about market has faced already 4 days complete selling pressure from the top zones. So right now the round level near on the $100. So if Monday market going to open in a flat range, definitely on the first half market going to face a resistance level. Market was faced completely selling pressure on the first time. on the first half. Then on the second half, maybe after seeing this kind of buyer is waiting here to buy the market will take a reverse here, and he will probably he will make going to be invert a hammer candle. He will going to make a hammer candle. If I show you, here is the candle that we could expect on the market going to happen on Monday. This is going to be happen, or this might be happen, or even this going to be happen on the market on Monday, because market cannot seller cannot sell the market continuously, because this is a FNO segment. It depends on many things: option chart, option price, and interest rate, and dividend. Many of the things are depends on the price, so market cannot go on one direction, either upside either downside. He must need to pause somewhere, then he will take it reverse from the bottom. So this is how price action work. So after seeing all of these things that we could expect on Monday, that going to be happen on green candle, because 4 days selling pressure, buyers need to. And if we talk about the selling pressure candle, seller candle, after this candle was very big momentum, these also considered as a huge selling pressure, but after last 3 days market was become a small selling candle, due to this range, because seller are not getting confidence to sell the market, because they know the buyer are waiting here to buy the market at this range. So as a result, market was a little bit confusing stage. But on a Monday, if going to open in the flat range, definitely he will face a selling range, selling pressure. Then after 12:30, 1:30, as we know, a second half, the professional player on the trader on the market, so they maybe they will take the market on the higher side. As a result, we might see a hammer candle. So this is my own analysis. So I'm not saying this is going to be exactly happening on the market. Maybe on Monday market going to be sharply fall, or maybe on the gap up open and he goes sharply on the upside. So anything could be happen on the market, but I just do my own research by seeing the price action, by understanding the price pattern, what market could expect to do. So do your make sure you do your own research, you follow your own analysis. So this is what find out which is work for you. I hope you learn something from this video, and if you do, please consider to subscribe to my channel. And I hope it's going to be help for you, because every day I will try to update you a new video, a new idea for on stock market. So I hope it's help you feel more in your trading career. And I thank you very much, guys. Thank you. I will see you in the next video again.